Do, re, mi, fa, Sohn Sisters Vlogs. Our sushi collection is growing. Wow! Oh, these are so nice. Look at this deal. Oh my god.
Let me try, we just go with the motions. Close your eyes, ease your mind.
Oh wow, your lips are so red. Oh my gosh. Good morning from Shinjuku. We are currently going to transfer to Mount Fuji. Not too sure what we're gonna do today because my mom is the itinerary planner. However, she did tell us that we're gonna do some hiking. So, can't wait for that. It's gonna be a little hot today, but the weather says that it's about 68, 69. That's kind of hot. Yesterday was a good temperature. It was kind of hot, but it wasn't too bad. I think it might be a little cooler today. But we're moving. We're transferring hotels, so we gotta carry stuff. I have to carry this big thing. Danbee has to carry an umbrella. Yeah. It's so hard for her. We're gonna take the subway to Mount Fuji. It's gonna be around 1 hour and 45 minutes, so it's gonna be a long ride. And right now it's about 9 o'clock. Nothing's really open, so we're gonna go to the convenience store to get some breakfast. Oh my gosh, I love these triangle kimbaps. Chicken with gochujang. Hello. Can you take a photo?
Please enter the desired exit number or nearby facility.
Oh, a pose! That's crazy. Couple pose.
Couple pose.
Go, Tommy, go! Go!
Enhancement below. Do you prefer a deep hard pose?
Get closer, get closer.
The train station and subway stations will never not be confusing. We kept on running everywhere and then we have to transfer a lot. We still have to transfer when we're on this train. This only goes to Osuki. We made it just in time. We just sat down and it's moving. Oh, we ran with our 2 luggages like it's crazy. We got some food, so let's do a food haul. We It looks so fluffy. We got this salty lychee, whatever this is. We got it just to try. We got samgyeopsal. This is tuna mayonnaise, and this is the imitation scallop meat stick. Oh, and then I got egg. There's strawberry, kiwi, and mango. Oh, the strawberry is so good. Salty lychee. Tastes like medicine. What does that taste like, baby? Medicine. Ooh. It's a Naruto train.
Just always cover it. This is the roller coaster area.
Oh wow. Fuji to Highland. Oh! Mount Fuji, Danbee. Right there. Let's take a picture. Alright, so our traveling is over. We went to the hotel to drop off our luggages, and then we're gonna go eat lunch because it's around 1 o'clock here, and after lunch we're gonna go hiking. Ooh, look, they're cooking. They're making tempura. Yuzu salt, and this is matcha salt. Matcha was the other one, just plain salt?
Here.
Yeah. Yay! I got hot soba, Danbee got udon, and Amma's getting her tempura. Wow, that's a lot. Is that cherry tomato? Bon appetit! Bon appetit! I'm so
My
full.
belly is very expanded.
That was good though.
That was the best goguma tempura I had.
Oh my god, the goguma was sweet.
It was really sweet.
And then the sweet corn.
Yeah, the corn was also really sweet.
They also gave us pufferfish fried tempura.
The noodles were so thick.
Oh yeah.
A noodle like filled up my entire mouth. It was so big.
Update. A mistake has been made. If you want to go to Mount Fuji, there's actually only 4 buses that could take you there. We were trying to get there by taxi, but the taxi is 2 times as much. The last bus ran at 2, and this is actually 2:18 right now. So we just missed it.
Where there's a will, there is a way.
So, everything happened for a reason. It's actually a better day for us because originally our plan was to hike on Mount Fuji. But if you don't know us, we do not like to hike. So, because we can't go to Mount Fuji, we're actually going to a lake that's next to Mount Fuji so we can see Mount Fuji from where we are. So that means no more hiking.
I'm weak. I can't go.
In there. Oh wow.
On the road, I've been around the floor, rooftops, sliding doors. Just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be a songbird.
Wow. Oh my gosh. That's scary.
And with the view, she could see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating, I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby, think the same when I'm on my own.
Make a wish.
I don't think a lot of wishes are coming true.
Throw in there.
Think the same when I'm on my own.
Oh, scary.
It's the end of the night, feel like you're dodging by.
Alright, at the cookie place, we got a strawberry chocolate.
Yeah, how's it?
That's good.
And we also got an Earl Grey and orange. The strawberry overpowered. I can't taste anything but strawberry.
Oh, musky smell.
Ooh. Oh wow. We found this at a store here. This is musket grape, and then this underneath is peach. Tastes like haichu. Alright, for dinner, we are at Funari. We're so tired right now.
We took like 10 naps today.
It's really cold, or colder compared to this morning and the past days. Gosh.
It's the end of the night, feel like you're dodging by.
She goes up.
Whoa. Oh, lots people came here. This place was actually recommended to us by the taxi driver. Whoa, we're walking up a hill. I know. This is cool. Mount Fuji is right there on that window. Oh my gosh. Whoa. In this part of Japan, what you need to eat is hoto. Hoto, I don't know what it is. Noodles.
Name of the
White
noodle.
noodles.
This is hoto.
Ah.
And this is chicken and abalone.
Ooh.
You need a new bottle. We need a new bottle.
I think you need a new bottle.
Okay, dinner is done. Rating. Well, I give it a 10 out of 10. I think it was really good. The noodles are really good. Very chewy. Very nice. And the soup was really good, yeah.
I thought it was like a 9 out of 10.
Like a what? It was really good. And it was really like warm. Now I'm super sleepy. My eyes can barely open. Our day is not over though, because we gotta go try the onsen at our hotel. Alright, so this is our room. Whoa! 4 beds? Oh my gosh! Oh, you could take a shower in this bathroom. You sit out here and then take a shower. This is the onsen fit. It's a hot sauna.
Hot sauna.
It's a hot spring.
Hot spring outfit.
I can't see. So, we came back from the onsen. The onsen was nice and warm, but it made us really sleepy. So after this, we are going to sleep. But it was nice. There were 2 pools. One was indoors and one was outdoors. We went to both. I feel clean. It was a long day today. But tomorrow is also gonna be another long day because we're gonna go to Kyoto. So keep watching our vlogs for updates on our Japan trip.
Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.